Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how you can find the audio panel in Capcut. Somehow you can't find it. It is normally situated around this area, and if it's not there anymore, what you can do to fix this is just to click on this, and that's it. Click on this, and okay, and if you want to zoom in and zoom out in your video, in this like timeline, control and use the wheel on your mouse, Now you can zoom in and zoom out. And if you by mistake you locked this track, then you won't be able to move the video. And now, if you have any problems with Capcut or any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and take care.